we have a red day for PHUN. What does that mean? Are we gonna have a squeeze? Should we sell? Should we buy? What's going on? Because some of you losing patience with PHUN right now. What we said the last time, patience everybody. If we held over that support, we're gonna have a pump. We already have that pump. Now we're gonna have the same scenario. We have a different support that we have to watch out for. We discussed it in our live streaming. Hopefully you saw it because we always do a live streaming 30 minutes before the market open. And before that, of course, on our Discord and Patreon. So in today's video, we have to discuss PHUN price target and what we should expect and why we actually holding down right now 4%. Is that preparation for a huge squeeze? So of course, hit the like button on the way in. Don't forget that everybody, because this is just the beginning for PHUN. So hit the like button, share our live streaming. Sharing is caring. Spread the love, and let's start our live streaming for today and start the party for today for PHUN and see the target for today. And of course, PHUN looking okay. However, we have to discuss something interesting, which is a new support forming after the breakout that we did around the 36. Just as a reminder, guys, every time, every day we do live streaming before this live streaming that we do 30 minutes before that. As we said, we do here on our Discord and Patreon live streaming exclusive about entry and exit, because in pre-market sometimes we have a big gainer stocks that have big major news like cancer drug stocks, new drugs, FDA approval. So we come early in order to see a bottom reversal or breakout for those stocks. And of course, if you don't trade those stocks, you have more stable stocks, blue chip company like Palantir that we hunted today. Of course, we exited from this trade the day before. We did it around 30 minutes before the market closed on the 5th of February, and this was one of the really good trade for this month in February, and we have a really good start for this month, of course, for two swing trade, Palantir and Amazon. And we suggest to take profit around the 2019 and the 2185. Guess what happened? Of course, we closed our trade for this one around the $20. After that, for Palantir, guys, this is really crazy because I'm gonna show you here something really, really good, which is Palantir hitting the 2185 exactly around the price target that we suggest from yesterday, and now still crawling up because we've got a major earning for Palantir, guys, major earning. That's why we have a huge pump. And of course, this is not the last or the first, because we always do swing trade for our elite and king hunters. Last time we did for our elite is for Amazon. So if you want to join, the link in comment section below, and we still have some levels or spots left for the king and the elite level. The disciplined hunter already sold out, so use this opportunity and get your place before it gets sold out as well. So let's now get back to our hunt for today, which is not AMC, no, PHUN. Guys, this one looking really, really interesting, because if we go on the 1 hour chart, I'm gonna wait for you guys. Now just go on your chart and trading view and whatever you using, just go on the 1 hour chart for PHUN, because there's something really interesting happening on the 1 hour chart. What is that? Is this ascending channel? Let me just adjust it here. Perfect, guys. We have a nice bounce 3 times for this level. We have it here, 25, there, and there today. So what we said today on our live streaming, we said, guys, watch out, don't worry. We have a flush. Everybody said, flush. Jesus, watch out for PHN is flushing down. And what we said, relax, everybody. We have support, strong support that we're gonna reverse from. So now, after the flush happened, and so many of you panicking, we said, just relax, everybody. We're still holding the support. The support where? The support is the 36. And you see what's happened? This is what I was waiting for. I was waiting for a wick and holding over exactly this ascending channel. This is what I was waiting for to see after the 1 hour huge red candle close. So this is a good reaction. It means there's a big buyer. So now the main question Is PHN still bullish? Yes, still bullish, as long as we hold the 36. The scenario that I don't like, if we have this reaction instead. Let me just show you exactly what I mean. Okay, let me just copy this. Yes. So if we have this reaction instead, let me just turn it to red, like this, yes, this would be not good, at least in the smaller picture. Big picture is still good because we're still holding the 25, but in smaller picture, this is the first signal for weakness. But we don't have this reaction, we have then instead the reverse reaction, which is holding over the 36. So what we go from there and what we should do from here, of course, we have to wait. This is the only thing that a lot of new traders don't like to hear. They need action. They need movement every second. This is not possible for many stocks. Even if the stock pump 1000%, it need a period of breathe and like quiet. For many stocks, even if it pump 1000%, need a time of consolidation, quietness, sleeping. Even in war zone, guys, even in war zone, there's time of sleep. There's time of no fight. Of course, you have to be vigilant because if you don't, you sleep, sometimes you get knock on your door and you'll be surprised by the enemy in front of your door. No, I'm just saying there's a quietness before the storm. Whatever the huge movement will happen at the right time, at the right moment. And the trick is here in the market, the big market maker and the whale, they don't buy on the light or the where everybody's seeing. No, they buying under the curtain. They buying just think about like this. We are on the street, walking on the street and walking on the base level on the earth. The big whale is doing everything like beneath the earth. The first signal that the market maker bought this dip and we're gonna have a squeeze is breaking the 47.90. So this is the most important level that we have to watch out for PHUN that started to squeeze. And of course, the market maker bought around this level of support. The bottom for the big picture for PHN, for some of you interested for PHN bottom or strong support is the 25. So as long as we hold the 25 and better yet over the 36, we are good to go to have a nice jump. And some of you said the $1. Yes, we might go to the $1, but watch out for the two profit taking that I'm still watching. After we break the 47.90, we're gonna have a huge test, everybody, toward the 61 and the 75. Those two levels will be tested first, and of course we're gonna have a pullback like happened here. We have a huge push up, then we triggered a selling pressure around the 48 and we dropped. Let me just check how much we dropped. 45, man, 45% down after we jumped almost 120%. So you see the volatility. This is just an example. Here we might have another jump, of course, 100%, but if we pull back, we might have a huge pullback of 30%. So put your seatbelt and enjoy this ride because it's gonna happen pretty soon. Let me know what you think about the price target for PHUN in coming days, guys, because this one will happen pretty soon. And of course, if you don't want to miss this huge jump, of course, hit the like button, subscribe, because we always do our live streaming or our update for PHN daily, everybody, daily on our channel here. And not just PHN, as we said, we cover Palantir, Amazon, other swing trade, but on our Discord and Patreon. So if you want to join us, the link in the comment section below. And thank you for the support, thank you for the love, and see you by tomorrow.